Morning mga ka-farmers. Welcome back sa ating channel sa Farmboy Vlog TV. At sa mga subscribers ko pala, pinalitan ko na yung pangalan ng aking channel. Pinalitan ko na ng Farmboy Daily Vlog kasi na demonetize yung channel natin sa hindi inasang pagkakataon. So bibigyan lang natin ng reaction guys yung message ni YouTube sa channel natin kagabi kasi nag-message siya sa akin kagabi na demonetize tayo yung channel natin at titingnan natin guys kung ano ang rason at anong dahilan kung ano ang violation natin. So tara guys, samahan niyo ko. So ito pala yung dahilan guys na your channel is no longer eligible to monetize. What happened? After reviewing your channel is using combination of automated system and human reviewers, we found that it does follow YouTube channel monetization. So ito pala yung restriction ko guys, repetitive content. So binigyan tayo ng dalawang option ni Facebook, ni YouTube guys. Kung ano ang dapat gagawin, what should you do next? Kung ano ang dapat gagawin, what should you do next? So option 1, appeal if you think we made a mistake. If you think we made a mistake, send an appeal telling us why. We'll review your appeal and get back to you with a decision within 14 days. Pagkatapos mo palang mag-appeal guys, 14 days bago darating yung feedback nila sa appeal mo. Only choose this option if you haven't deleted any videos since your channel was suspended from monetization. So bago pa ka pala mag-appeal, bawal pala mag-delete ng videos kung mag-a-appeal ka. So ang option 2 is reapply. Mag-reapply tayo kay YouTube. Edit your channel and reapply. Review our feedback, then make changes to your channel. Changes can include editing or deleting videos, updating video details. You can reapply start February 12, 2024 as long as your channel meet the following requirements. So nasa tama naman tayo guys, yung eligibility natin na reach na naman natin yung 1,000 subscribers at 4,000 watch hours. Pero dito guys sa option 2 pwede kang mag-delete ng mga video mo or i-edit mo yung channel mo tapos mag-delete. Okay lang ko dito sa option kung mag-reapply ka. Tapos dito sa option 1 mag-a-appeal tayo kang YouTube, bawal mag-delete. Bawal mag-delete guys, up to 3 videos, more than 3 videos bawal i-delete kung mag-appeal. So repetitive content, video look mass produced or auto-generate, they don't provide much educational or other value for viewers. So ito pala dapat nang gawin natin guys, mag-upload ng videos. Example of what is allowed to monetize. So ganito ito yun guys, same intro and outro for your videos but the bulk of your content is different. Similar content between videos but each video talk specifically about a different subject you're featuring. Short clips of similar video edited together where you explain how they are connected. Ganun pala yun guys. Sa dapat kahit same videos dapat mag-talk specifically about different subject you're featuring talaga guys. So ito ang dapat digawin guys kung mag-upload tayo. Example of what is not allowed to monetize: template or programmatically generate content that appears to be from content farms. A channel with similar repetitive content or mindless content without commentary or narrative. So dapat pala guys magsasalita pala talaga tayo pag mag-vlog tayo. Song modified to have a different pitch or speed but otherwise identical to the original song. Content that exclusively feature reading of materials don't then originally create like text from website or news feeds. At isa rin pala to sa bawal i-gawin pag upload tayo ng video kay YouTube. Image, slideshow, or scrolling text with little or no commentary or narrative. Isa rin yun sa mga bawal sa mag-upload sa YouTube. So, ang pinili ko dito guys ay yung mag-reapply na lang ako. Hihintayin ko na lang yung February 12. Tapos mag-reapply na lang ako. Di na ako mag-appeal kasi pag mag-appeal tayo guys ay ito ang gagawin natin guys pag mag-appeal tayo. Film your video supported language and keep your video under 5 minutes. Dapat kung mag-appeal tayo naka-video, hindi yun nakasulat para tapos i-send mo kay YouTube, hindi yun guys. Dapat naka-video, tapos show or mention your channel. Dapat i-mention mo yung channel mo sa video mo, tapos ilagay mo yung link sa video mo. Mention the reviewer's feedback and tell us why it's a mistake. Tapos i-mention mo yung reviewers nila, tapos sabihin mo kung ano ang mali nila pag-review. And lastly is provide visual sample or how you create video, including your video or your film and edit them. Dapat may mga visual sample ka kung paano ka mag-edit o magawa ng videos. Tapos send mo sa kanila under 5 minutes video. So yun pala guys yung kung ba't ako na-demonetize repetitive content. So ang pinili ko dito guys is mag-reapply na lang ako until pagdating ng February 12. Mag-reapply na lang tayo guys. So yun lang guys, na maraming salamat sa panonood at sana naman ay may nakukuha kayong aral sa ating video para di tayo mamonetize, para di masayang yung pinagpaguran natin. At sa mga di pa nakapag-subscribe sa ating channel guys, ay pinalitan ko na yung pangalan ng channel ko ay Farmboy Daily Vlog na. Tapos sana ay mag-subscribe kayo at i-hit na rin yung notification bell button para ma-update ko kayo sa ating mga upcoming video. Maraming salamat po.